The CPR survival chain is a vital sequence of steps essential in maximizing the chances of survival during cardiac emergencies. Each link in this chain plays a crucial role in improving outcomes for the victim. Understanding and executing each step effectively could significantly increase the likelihood of saving a life. Step 1. Early access. Identifying the signs of cardiac arrest promptly is the first link in the chain. This involves recognizing if the individual is unresponsive and not breathing normally. Activating EMS by calling for help as soon as cardiac arrest is identified ensures professional medical assistance arrives swiftly. This step initiates the response process. Step 2. Early CPR. Beginning CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, immediately after recognizing cardiac arrest is crucial. Compressions and rescue breaths help maintain blood circulation and oxygenation until professional help arrives. Step 3. Early defibrillation. The use of an automated external defibrillator, AED, in the early stages of cardiac arrest is proven to be highly effective. It delivers an electrical shock to restore the heart's rhythm, potentially increasing the chances of survival. Step 4. Early advance care. After the arrival of emergency medical personnel, advanced life support measures are initiated. This involves advanced airway management, medication administration, and continuous monitoring. Post-resuscitation care also plays a critical role in long-term recovery. Each link in this chain is pivotal, and the effectiveness of the entire process relies on the seamless execution of these steps. Understanding and practicing the CPR survival chain ensures a coordinated and efficient response in the event of a cardiac emergency, improving the likelihood of a positive outcome for the victim.